ako sasabihin ko eh. Ba't kasi English?
I'm sorry, but why is Josh on fire?
Pero for all our fans, like from different parts of the world, please join us.
Oh,
Wait for
Josh Cullen.
the upload or
Switch it off, I can't focus.
performance.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. So a little bit like Seven Sins, another thing that I cannot get over is that Gento performance on the first take. And to promote that, so Josh did an IG live. I don't really know what to expect from this, you know? If you were to have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original upload. A massive thank you to the YouTube account that is Soleil for uploading and for subbing. So this is from July 1st and looks very, very casual. Where is Josh? I wonder where Josh is. Is he on the side or something? But anywho, I'm really looking forward to hearing what this is all about. Perhaps they're going to talk to us, like what the experience was like and how they felt, etc., etc. And I'm really hoping for a vlog for the first take guesting as well. I think that would be really amazing. But let's see what they're going to give us. Do you want to watch this with me, by the way? Will you stop flaunting that mug in front of our face? You're the second person to do it now. Hi, cutie.
What's up? It's all Bob. Ayo, ayo. What's up? It's all Bob, bro. Hello, everyone. What's this?
I just love Pablo being left to his own devices, like some sort of live or game or something.
Yes, I'm waiting. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Olba. Ako si Reveal. Nasaan po si Kuya Ken? Actually, di ko alam kung nasaan siya ngayon. Alam ko nasa, ano pa siya, probinsya pa siya.
I'm glad he got some time off. He looked like he had a great time.
Magandang gabi rin po sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Is this Pablo's place?
Ay, may nagre-request
Or is this one of the
to join.
offices?
Oh, ayaw mag-accept. Request to join. Accept. Accept ko na. Ayaw. Ayan,
This is just the best. Oh, hi Josh Cullen.
Gabi pa dyan?
Nasasakyan pa ako eh. Galing ba?
Nagaling.
Gabi dito eh. Umaga ba dyan?
Saan ba yan?
Ayun na, nasasakyan
Wala ka
ako.
pala din sa Pinas. Wala ka pa sa Pinas?
Dito ako sa Pinas, anak na to ako. Gabi naman dito ah.
Okay. Nagaling.
Nig ba ako?
Nasa kotse ka pa.
Ay, kanina pa ako nasa labas. May mga errands.
Ayan. Actually, hindi nila alam kung ba tayo naka-live.
Kaya,
Guys, naka-live po kami kasi nag-aabang po kami sa upload ng The First Take. Oh my God! Legit talaga yung The First Take. Talagang one take lang yung The First Take.
Of course.
bawal ba talaga second take doon?
Hindi. Well, kasi
It probably
meron
is,
akong
but I
mga
don't think anyone
classes sa mga
has done
ganyan.
it.
Mga sinasabi, first take. Pero nung nag-record tayo, one take nga lang talaga.
Ayaw talaga.
One take lang talaga.
But actually, you probably didn't need any more than one take. I think that's probably what the truth is.
Nagpakaawa kami doon kung pwede ba second take, ayaw.
Really?
Actually, nagtanong tayo bago pa tayo sumabak. Talagang one take lang po ba talaga? One take lang talaga. Hindi ako makapaniwala. So, lahat talaga ng nagpa-perform doon sa first take, magagaling. Let's go!
So cute!
Galing talaga.
Anyway, para sa mga nandito sa live ngayon, saglit lang kami magla-live. Kasi gusto sana namin na mag-abang kayo dun sa upload ng The First Take. Siyempre. Nabanggit na ba ni The First Take kung ano yung kakantahin natin? Oo nga, nabanggit na. No?
Blurred daw. Nasa Japan daw. Pasensya na guys, nasa parking lot ako eh. Walang signal dito.
Wala signal. Ako nasa studio kasi ako eh. Oo naman, kayo ang pinakamagaling. Wow! Thank you guys.
I'm so
Well,
excited.
actually, sobrang kabado talaga kami nun. Kasi nga, nalaman namin na one take. wala nang, wala nang kahit anong gagawin. Wala nang ano, kung ano yung na-take mo doon, kung ano nangyari, yun na yun.
Hey, but you're
Doon talaga
used to this.
masusubok ang ano mo, yung training mo. Kung paano nyo pinag-practicean yung kanta. Actually, nag-practice talaga kami bago kami pumasok dun sa the first take eh.
Oh yeah, I bet you
Nagkaroon pa kami
did.
ng sessions with Coach Brennan. Para lang just to make sure na kaya pa namin. Pero pagdating doon, legit, kabado talaga.
Grabe yung kaba.
I'm so
Yung
glad
iba
they've got a
naman eh.
coach now.
Walang ano eh, walang rehearsal eh. Rekta na eh.
Tapos ano eh, talagang yung, kung pwede kaya i-share kung ano yung itsura ng studio nila. Alam ko bawal eh. Anyway, bawal.
Bawal ata
Basta,
yun. Bawal
basta
ata.
na, basta maraming cameraman. Tapos pinapanood nila kami lahat, syempre. Kasi kakanta kami dun eh.
Tsaka ano, sobrang, hindi, di ba, pinapanood. Pagkatapos, iniwan nila tayo, as in tayo lang talaga. Yung
Oh.
iwan nila yung mga
Oo nga
camera.
pala. Kasi bawal maingay.
Ah, I see. Yeah, it's one of
Anyway,
those setups.
guys, pwede kayong 9 p.m. yung upload nyo, abangan nyo na mamaya sa YouTube. YouTube yun, di ba?
I just want to say right in this very moment, the
Hindi
next
alam kung
step
saan
will be
papanoorin.
killing voice in Korea. It could happen.
Tsaka ano yan, it's a milestone for us, SB19, kasi syempre, dati, ano lang kami nagbibiroan, uy, baka pwede tayong the first take, di ba?
The
Ganun.
first day? Wow! Hindi ko
Mm.
First nga.
nakalain na. Malaki yun kasi maraming artist na talagang, alam ko sobrang ano yun eh. Parang sikat talaga sa Japan, the first take.
Oo.
Lalo doon ko napanood muna yung malupit na performance ni Lisa. Si Lisa yung Japanese yung kumanta. Ay, alam niyan yung kumanta na ano. Ang tawag din, anong anime yun? Demon Slayer, yan.
Yan.
The
Demon
first,
Slayer nga.
the, ano ba yun? First, tayo ba daw yung first ever Filipino na naman? first ever
Hindi
Filipino
po.
na
Basta the first.
the first
Hindi ko alam
natin,
kung
the
tayo
first
talaga
take. Anyway, basta yung experience sobrang masaya syempre kasi syempre, 'di ba? Hindi naman basta-basta doon marating yung opportunity na ganun. Tapos seize the moment talaga yun kasi one take lang. Sobrang kabado ko, naalala ko pa rin hype yan.
Alam nyo, nakakahiya nga yung mga pinagsasabi ko doon, mga adlib
Oh,
ko
but
dun eh.
why?
So sana,
We love it.
pagka, napanood na natin eh, ano pa rin, hindi siya cringe. Kasi
It's
ako
not.
cringe ako minsan kung ano nasasabi ko, lalo na first take lang talaga. Ay, nako talaga.
We loved it,
Ganito habang
Josh.
buhay. Oo, tama kay dyan. Ganito yung pinerform namin doon. And, syempre, para naman may something. Medyo iniba namin yung areglo. So, sana magustuhan nyo. Yung buong trip namin sa Japan, sobrang saya eh. Kasi may pinuntahan pa kami before that eh. Anong tawag doon? Yung borderless, something limitless. Kalimutan ko na naman.
Ah, Team Loves ba yun?
Yung Team Labs. Yung Team Labs.
Yun, na talaga doon, sobra. Ang dami actually sa buong Japan, para yung trip namin, enjoy talaga.
Good.
Especially nga, eto, nakapag-perform pa kami dito. Pero bukod dun yung mga pagkain, tsaka yung kubeta.
The toilet.
Ang pinaka-importante.
Yun talaga yung pinakakaabangan. Yun yung pinakakaabangan sa Japan. Kasi, doon talaga, parang doon mo ma-justify na pwede ka umupo doon ng mga isang oras, dalawang
Oh
oras.
my gosh, this is so on brand.
Kung gano'n pa naman yung upuan mo eh. Saka ano pala, alam mo kung bakit nakakakaba rin yung the first take.
Tell us.
Kasi, ang dami nating ginawa before tayo mag-first take. Bukod sa the first take, marami pa tayong things. Tapos, may contents. Tapos, nag-concert tayo before that. So, medyo kabado rin tayo nun kasi, syempre, yung mga boses natin, hindi natin alam kung kondisyon talaga. ikaw ba naman mag-concert ka, kanta-kanta ka before, diba? Isang buong concert yun,
Well,
ilang kanta rin yun.
yun nga yung pinaka nakakatakot sa mga ganyan. Kasi syempre, hindi tayo sigurado nun kung kaya ba natin yung makapag-adjust tayo sa weather, sa sa pagod.
Yeah, yeah.
Walang tulugan yung time na yun eh. Tapos
Pero
ini-look
sa,
forward pa natin yung paggala eh. Kaya talagang hindi tayo nagpapahinga eh.
oo, talaga. Oo, totoo. Minsan lang punta ng Japan eh. Pero sana magustuhan nila yung performance kasi mga okay naman.
Okay,
Eh, yun,
talk about
masaya.
being
Sana.
humble.
Waiting ako,
Kabado eh,
Be.
no?
I think this is their plan. This
Sabi,
is their
next
ploy
na
to
daw
like
yung
downplay how
Coachella.
amazing it
Oh.
was. They
Let's
know.
go.
Let's go.
Pag kami Coachella ba, pwede ang coach doon?
Ano daw?
Don't ask.
Wala.
Don't ask,
Laglag,
pal.
pre. Hindi ko nakadinig.
Okay na
Naglag.
yun. Maigi na yung
Gustuhan daw nila. Abangan niya ha, sa YouTube. 9 p.m. malapit na. 9:41 no. Legit.
malabo daw ako.
Malabo. Ay, malabo ka pala eh. Hindi ka kasi connected sa wifi. Dito sa OneZip office, ang bilis ng wifi eh.
Good.
Buti na lang naglalag. Ano buti na lang ba naglag? Bakit kayo natutuwa?
Sandok. Ha, 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 ha. Ano ba mga experience natin sa Japan?
Food? Talk about food.
Pero
Did you do any
one
shopping?
of my favorite countries yung Japan eh. After ba ng first day, kasunod na ba yung ganap nyo sa 1 Million Dance Studio? Isang araw lang ba
Not on
yun?
the same day. Clearly, it's not
Ibang
the.
bansa yung balo.
The realization.
Oo
Oh,
nga pala, sa Korea
cutie
pala yung 1
pal.
Million Studio. Bano.
When are we going to find out what
Hindi,
they actually were up to in
Akala
that
ko
as well,
nandun
though?
sa Japan pala yun. Pero
Asan po yung tatlo?
hindi ko mapaliwanag yung hindi ko mapaliwanag yung experience eh. Kasi, ayun, gusto ko lang din i-commend yung yung system nila doon sa Japan, sa the first day. Kasi, sobrang, tawag dyan, sobrang systematic nung paggalaw natin doon, di ba? Parang tatawagin tayo bago tayo pumasok, bago kumanta. Tapos pipicturean, tapos talagang bilang lang yung shots, tapos may posing na kayo. So parang walang hassle, dire-diretso lang yung gagawin nyo. Pero kinabahan pa rin kami kasi yun naman yung pinaka highlight nung ganap dun sa the first take, yung performance. Wala, nawala si Josh, naglalag.
Nandito pa ako.
Ayun. Naglo-load ka, nagsisircle-circle. Ayun pala, bukod sa the first take. Ini-invite ko rin kayo bumoto pa sa Kids Choice Awards.
Yeah, if they
Kids
win
Choice
that,
Awards.
what happens?
Daming awards. Ayan. Vote for
Do they, like-
SB19. Let's go!
Josh, what happens? Yeah, do they get to like perform
Abangan
at
yan.
the award function? Perhaps.
8:43 na.
How amazing would that be?
12 minutes. Ay,
Sino lang?
17 minutes pa.
po.
Akala ko mag-ikot.
Nagkakahoy daw.
Oo nga, may nakita ko na nagre-request na sana daw. Wag mong ikunot ang iyong noo yung kinanta natin.
Hey, they would have still killed it.
Yeah.
Sana, ano na lang, pinatay nyo na
Is
lang
that how
ako.
much he hates it?
Tapos, nandun yung yung sumulat no nga, wag mo ikunot. Yung original singer.
Guys, kaya ako lag kasi nasa parking lot.
Who wrote the
Ayan,
song?
Nasa parking lot kaharap ko pa doon, Kaya,
Rookie mistake, Josh.
medyo mahina ang internet natin.
Alam nyo ba kung bakit malabo si Josh? Ay, hindi.
Ano naman yan?
Hindi, may nabasa lang akong comment, may nag-chat sa akin eh.
Ano sabi?
Di ka ba sinasabihan? Kaya ka daw malabo.
Hindi.
Kasi nga, the first take.
He doesn't get it.
Josh, matutulog na ako pang nag-hi ka sa akin. Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Matutulog? Aga pa. Sleep is for the weak.
Especially true
Parang
amidst
ganap
all the
na ganap
traveling
ka
he's been
daw,
doing
Josh.
recently.
Kaya ka malabo ngayon.
Wala kaya talaga, oh.
Nabasa ko
Kasi
lang
ganun talaga.
sa comments.
Josh is really easygoing, don't you think?
Sa
Kailangan pag
comments.
nasa Japan tayo, nandun tayo sa tema ng Japan, di ba?
Guys,
Okay ba yun, guys?
PM Ay, better. Okay. May nagsabi sa akin, better if in English daw. Asning. Okay. Hello, guys. Naku, pag English to, wala na magsasalita. Anyway.
Dalawa na lang tayo eh, no?
For everyone who's
Pinahirapan niyo po kami, ha?
for everyone who's watching this live right now, you can check out our content sa the first steak at 9 p.m. You can check their social media account on
How
YouTube.
many Joshes
You can
are
watch the
there?
performance. Gento. SB19, let's go!
He's having too much fun.
And
Pablo's like,
before we
what's happened to
even
him?
perform during the first take, before we perform our song Gento,
Hmm.
we were having a banter.
Yeah.
And
Josh is on fire. Someone put him out.
ano yan? Bakit naglalag? Ano ba yung sasabihin ko? Nawala tuloy ako sa sasabihin ko eh. Ba't kasi English?
I'm sorry, but why is Josh on fire?
Pero for all our fans, like from different parts of the world, please join us.
Oh,
Wait for
Josh Cullen.
the upload or our
Switch it off. I can't focus.
performance on the first take.
Pablo, were you going to mention the fire
Yes,
situation?
Tara na, guys. Dito sa baba. Inaantay ko na kayo.
ano yan tuloy? Wala na akong masabi.
You were talking about banter before you went into the first
Anger.
take.
Ay, just magsalita ka daw. English.
Hello, everyone. My name is Josh.
Yeah.
So tonight, yeah, like what Pablo said, we're gonna be premiering the first take. It's called the first take because it is the
The first take.
Legit.
I don't have anything to
100%.
say. Come here. Down here. It's
Also,
hot here.
as we are waiting for the premiere of the first take performance of SB19, you can vote us on Kids Choice Awards. We're SB19 from the Philippines. Let's go. The first
Ganito yung
take.
magiging itsura nyo kapag tumatawa kayo sa mga hindi dapat tinatawanan ng mga content sa TikTok tsaka sa Instagram.
I love the mood that Josh is in.
Wala akong
Sama-sama na tayo dito.
Ayun, guys. Also, if you have time and you visited Japan, go to Team Labs. It was a nice place. It's full of amazing what do you call those? Setup. Siguro one of my favorites dun sa Team Labs was yung the play of lights, and we even danced Moonlight there. So yeah, go and check it out. Go visit Team Labs. Ayo.
Pamilya lahat eh.
I know. Well, I was
You're
going to
late.
say,
Yeah.
Pablo couldn't care less.
We only have
Yeah,
10 minutes before the premiere of SB19's Gento on the first take. So,
yeah.
ready your
Hell
I'm trying to
device.
figure out
Ready your devices.
if they are hiding that they perform maybe
Oh,
more
I
than
think my
one.
voice is
Like their
delayed,
choice of
isn't it?
words are very specific.
Someone said that the reason why I'm talkative right now is because of my mole.
What does
Do you
your mole
believe in
have to do
that,
with it?
When Kuya punta dito UK, please? I don't know. Oh, one song
Well,
lang po. One
no.
song lang po? Well, one song lang ba yun? That's the first take.
I don't
I don't think
know.
so. That was basically, they're telling us that there were two.
Well, if you watch, if you visit their channel on YouTube,
And have a look at other
usually
artists.
artists perform there
Mm,
singing
yeah.
one song only. Oh, ano ba yun? It's,
No, they don't. Not everyone.
but SB19 sang Gento. Yes. Punta. Oh no! Ano pong isa-search?
So
What should I search on YouTube? Of course, the first take.
the first take, my idol.
Just search
As
for
much as I want them to
the
sing a ballad,
first
I
take.
definitely do want them to sing a ballad for their second song.
And maybe
I
when the
think
video
it could be
is
pretty
up
cool
already,
if they sung I
we'll
Want You.
see the video
It's
on
an
their
English song,
channel.
so again, the
So
reach will widen a little
go
bit,
ahead,
but it's still
visit
written
the
by
channel
Pablo, still has
now.
the SB19 flavor,
Yes, and share
and the
it, guys.
vocals
Share it.
in that song.
Share it to your friends.
Another milestone, and I think yeah, we're very proud of that moment. We're very excited during that time, and I hope we get another chance, or maybe other chances to perform in other, those kinds of similar events and platforms.
Like Killing
Of
Voice.
course, thank
Please.
you to Sony for um, supporting us. Ay, masarap kahit sunog. Boss. Guys, only 8 minutes left. Make sure your devices are all ready to watch our performance on the first take. Pablo, pansinin mo ko. I don't want to, bro. Ang sarap pala sa feeling mabasa comment ko. Haha, thank you. Ang hirap naman kapag ano, ay man pag nagliliyab si
Malinaw ba
Josh.
ako? Malinaw ba ako?
Now you're on fire.
Or delay yung boses ko?
We are so proud of you guys. Thank you so much. We are
Just
so proud of ourselves as well.
Pablo's tactic to dealing with this is just to ignore.
But thank you all so much for your support. Like, this opportunity won't be possible if it weren't
This
for all
might be the
of you
best promotion for
guys.
the first take
We are
ever.
here right
They couldn't have planned
now.
this any better.
It's all because of you. Pakisabi kay Ken, hintayin ko po siya dito sa Sorsogon. Paano siya pupunta dyan? Hindi niya alam. Malabo ka daw. Ba't nandyan si Mephisto? I don't know.
Malabo ba rin ba? Malabo?
Yes.
Oh,
Sayang.
Pablo. I don't wanna wait.
Mga 5G naman
Yung with
dito.
Gento Remix nagte-trending sa TikTok now. What? Ano yun? Gento Remix.
Yung ata yun yung
Guys,
yung pinerform natin sa pagtatag.
5 minutes left. Come on. Kailan balik nyo
Share it,
Japan?
share it.
Oh, when we'll be coming back to Japan? Ah, how I wish could go back right now at this very moment. I don't wanna wait.
Wala na, hindi na sa akin nag-load yung mga comments. I'm
Oh.
so sad. I couldn't even read your comments, guys.
Should we end our live? Josh, nahihilo. Pablo, mamansin ka please. Huwag nyo end live para live reacts. What? I'm only I'm only using my phone. Then I wouldn't be
Yeah,
able to watch the first take if I'm doing live right now.
it's
Pablo,
gonna be
saan ka lang
hard.
excited? tanggapin na lang natin sa Pinas tayo guys, malabo talaga. For sure
Okay
naman.
lang malabo.
It is
Basta
okay to
tayo
be a blurred.
malinaw.
Wisdom.
For sure, 18 will like our performance.
How can you be so sure? Maybe we won't.
Malinaw daw. Hello, good morning. What else to say? Yeah, we're just happy now we were able to perform to the first take. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity. So
Yes. And of
happy.
course, if you're new to this live, if you haven't actually get to watch the start of this live, we're discussing about the first take. And I hope you guys check it out on YouTube. It's gonna be out now at 9 p.m. Philippine time. And of course, we've put so much effort. And of course, we are very proud and excited about the output. So I hope you guys share it, watch it, and enjoy.
Yes, that's right. Again, we're SB19 from the Philippines. Oh,
Yeah.
you make us Filipinos proud. Thank you so much. I mean, malabo man si Josh, malinaw naman pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Alright.
Hindi na sa akin naglo-load yung comments. I'm so sad. Bro.
So
Wala.
in 4 minutes. So for those who's watching this live right now, there's only 4 minutes left before the premiere of our performance on the first take. 3 minutes. So if you don't know the exact time in your country, there's only 3 minutes left before it will be live on the first take's channel. So go ahead and check it out. Search the first take on YouTube. SB19 Gento. Bye-bye. 3 minutes na lang. Thank you all so much for watching this live.
Thank
I
you,
hope
thank
everyone
you.
gets
Arigato gozaimasu.
arigato
Thank you.
gozaimasu. Itadakimasu. Ay, iba pa rin.
Itadakimasu.
End na po kayo. Hindi na kami makakapanood, please. Alright, guys. I will be ending this
Bye-bye.
in 1 minute. 8:58.
Naiinig na ako.
Thank you all so much. And also, vote us in Kids' Choice Awards. So, SB19 po for your support. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you all soon. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, pal.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
Bye, pal. Okay, this was just so much fun. Who knew that they could still be so chaotic, even though it's the two of them? I loved everything that Josh did during this, and I love Pablo's tactic of completely blindly ignoring that Josh Cullen is on fire right now. You could see that at the beginning, Pablo was really excited, and then as the time got sooner, he was feeling a little bit more nervous about the performance, and it's really cute that they kind of watch it live with us rather than getting a preview of the performance. I quite like stuff like that they don't even really know how it turned out. They just know that they did a good job, and so they're expecting the output to be great, which it always is. We always get that high quality with SB19, but it's interesting that they you see the nerves, and it would have been quite nice to get like a reaction video from them, but it's okay. They were all busy out doing their own stuff, and no big deal. What we got was this, and this was amazing. Like, they couldn't have planned this any better. This was absolutely hilarious, and I'm really glad that I watched this. Again, a massive thank you to the YouTube account that is Soleil for uploading and for subbing this, and please do talk to me about this live, and I love everything that Josh Cullen was doing during this. I need to channel some of this as well, and I also need to pee Josh Cullen. So thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun, and until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.